What's up, you guys? It's Jessica Armus here with another video, and today I am going to Huntington Beach to the Brandy Melville warehouse with my friends Tati and Anna. So yeah, it's literally 7 in the morning. 7:09. I woke up at 5 to do my makeup. I don't know. Never been to a warehouse sale for Brandy before. We decided to get there like an hour earlier, so I'll film again once we get there, and see you guys later. I don't give a shit if people see me. I've done this before. Alright, so you guys, this is insane. We just got here. The line is crazy. It looks like people literally slept here.
There's tents and everything.
There's so many people. It's honestly not even worth it. Like, the back of the line is all the way back there. We're just gonna go to the regular store, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. It doesn't open till 11, so we're just gonna hang out at the beach. But yeah, hopefully it works out. We are getting Starbucks right now. I just got both of them Starbucks venti.
Thank you, Jessica.
She's gonna try the caramel macchiato with the soy milk.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yes, I told her. She tried it once and I got it, and she really liked it. So,
but I haven't had the whole thing. So.
And then Anna got a frappuccino. Thanks, Mom.
PG-13.
Hi guys, it's Jessica Armus.
Like, it's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours, I'm pretty sure, but I'd rather not.
Wait, how does the Disney Channel float?
How does it go? Okay, focus.
Every day, bro, with that Disney Channel float.
Never done before. All the competition and beauty by next, and I'm popping all these checks. Got that brand new Rolex.
You talking shit on
Talking shit on Twitter too, but you still hit my phone last night. It was 4:52 and I got the text approved, and all the recordings too. Don't make me tell the truth. And I just have some new merch. Yeah, it's selling like a god church. Ohio's where I'm from.
Okay, that's it. Yeah. Guys, we made it. We just went to the beach and we went skateboarding. They went swimming. Yeah. So we're gonna go to like Brandy and finally go shopping because I need to.
You even vlog?
Vlog? Not do you live? Do you even vlog, bro? I want to go to the Press Juicery so bad because I haven't been there in such a long time, and I love getting the vanilla one with the almond butter and the honey.
Dude, this place is so pretty.
So we'll see afterwards if we have time. The beach was really nice. The water was freezing, but I didn't go fully in. Brandy Melville, what? I'm in Forever 21 and I literally see the exact same jacket that like that Brandy Melville has. It's just cropped.
I don't think so.
Why? Why?
Oh, damn. What's that?
Wow, damn!
Can I pet your dog? Yeah, you can. He's so cute. Just less daddy.
Aww. Heck yeah!
Oh, I missed
Nice try.
I missed my foot.
Heck yeah! One in the brandy.
Ooh, that's
Alright, we just went to Brandy and I got a couple things. I'll show you guys what I got later. Now we're in Urban, just looking around. Anna didn't buy anything. Wait, oh, there you are. I was like, where'd you go? You're trying to hide from my camera. What the frick? Oh my god, what are these? I saw these on their Instagram.
Dude.
No. These are so cute. Oh
What is this?
my. Get them.
Oh yeah, totally.
Okay, I freaking want those. Someone get me those and I'll love you forever. I can't. There.
That actually looks good on you. Like, no lie.
Oh, this music. Okay. I literally just spent all my money in Brandy, no joke.
Did you get your shorts here?
No. I got mine in Hollister.
Yeah. These are cute.
Ooh, these shorts are so cute. I don't have anything from Calvin. Oh wait, I had a shirt, but then I gave it to Katie. Oh my god, I want those blankets.
Which ones? Where?
Look how fuzzy those look. This is so cute. Oh yeah, I need those. Anna, look.
That's cute. That would look cute on you.
It's really bright though. I don't know how neon would look on me. Wait, gotta take a... This music I'm digging. Oh, I love these. I freaking love these.
I can picture you wearing these.
Okay. Oh my fucking god. With this?
These leggings are nice.
Okay, so basically the only store I shopped at was Brandy. I didn't get that much. I got 3 tops and I got like I think 3 pieces of jewelry. I got this top, super cute. It makes your waist look like really good when you wear this too. I don't know, it's actually really comfy. I was surprised. And then I got this tank top. They're all just like simple things, but I love it. And then I got this top, which is just kind of like a scoop neck. I think that's what it's called. For my necklaces, I got this one. This one's from Brandy. These 2 right here are actually something that I ordered a while ago. They are a Christmas present. Excuse my nail. It's like really fricked up. Don't look at that. I need to get my nails done. But I ordered these like over a month ago and they finally came. I'm super happy. They're from like, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I will put it down below so you guys can check out their website. I just thought they were super cute. They're customized. Yeah, this one says Jessica and then this one has a J. Also from Brandy, I got this cute little locket. There we go. And then also from the website, they gave me a free necklace. Last thing I got from Brandy was also these earrings. They just have like a cross on them. I thought they were super cute. Alright, but that is everything. Yeah. That is everything that I got, and I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because it is Super Bowl Sunday and I do want to spend time with my family. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was a short one, but I just thought it'd be fun for you guys to see what I did today. And I thought, why not vlog today, you know? Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And don't forget to turn on those post notifications. Let me know what you guys want to see for my next video and I will do that. I think I still need to film the Get Lit With Me. For sure. That's important. I'm gonna do that. But yeah. Alright. Bye guys.